Okay, my quick opinion about these Amazon car seats that you can buy for like 400 bucks. I just picked one up just because my SVO seats, at least the driver's one, was getting worn pretty bad. I got 170,000 miles on the old girl here, and she runs like a top, but it's just been a lot of wear on the seat. So I went in and replaced it with this one. And my opinion with this seat, it's, I guess with me being older, um, 50 plus, the seat just isn't nearly as comfortable as a stock seat. I still got the stock seat over there on the passenger side, as you can see. And good gosh, I don't know if it's just new to the seat. It's firm. It's kind of rough. It looks okay, but it's just not that comfortable. So I just wanted to show everyone what it kind of looks like inside of a Mustang. This is an '86 SVO, so not that it matters what year it is. They're all the same interior wise. I mean, the seat looks okay. It's just, and it does, you can make it fit the stock bracketry. It just won't be able to go back far, but you can probably cure that pretty easily. But you know, it's just not that comfortable, and I don't really expect it to be. For what do they cost? Like 400. I got it considerably less than that, but I just wanted to try it to see how it would feel. And on long trips, I would say my back would probably kill me. So going back to the stock one, if anybody's interested in getting these seats, I would say you have to be probably under 40 to be able to tolerate them. So anyway, just wanted to give a quick shout to these seats. They're okay, probably for the money, but you got to be young, you got to be tolerant. So see you later. Here's the way it should be. Put the stock seats back in, and oh boy, is it a lot comfortable. Hey, just a little tip. If you have, see, that's actually the original driver's seat, and you can see from getting in and out, it's really thread bearing on the side. So if that starts to happen, just swap the seats if you can. I've done that for years, and this is getting a little thread bearing here too. Like I said, it's got over 170,000 miles on the car. Love the seats, the most comfortable things going, let me tell you. So anyway, if anybody knows anybody making this fabric ever again, I would love to grab some. It's like, unobtainium. So just wanted to show what the stock seats, extremely comfortable.